Hello, hello, hello. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Welcome to a brand new video. My name is Alex, aka Picasso, aka whatever you want to call me. And I'm the person behind Ariami. It's not that big of a project, but for me it is. And what is Ariami? Because you got here that got directed here from the GitHub, and Ariami is basically a personal music server, like it says over here. Basically, what you do is you install the server app on your laptop, for example. Install it on your Raspberry Pi as the CLI version, because there's a CLI version as well. You connect to it on your phone using the mobile app. I'm not sure about iOS. I haven't tested this. If somebody could please test iOS and let me know if it works, and then I could optimize it for iOS as well. I just don't use iPhones or iPads or anything of the sort, so I can't test it myself, but I'm pretty sure it should work. And then you connect to it, and we use Tailscale to connect to it, which is makes the whole process much easier. And I just wanted to show you how the process works exactly, because whilst I do tell you how to connect in the README file and like the setups and stuff, it's just not as convenient as just showing you exactly how easy the process is for a video. So the first thing you do is you get started, of course. It will check for Tailscale. If it's not installed or like not running, it'll be like, hey bud, install that shit. You click continue, and then you have to choose your music folder. You just simply click select folder. I'm gonna go to my desktop and go music folder, and then open. And then what it's going to do is just going to scan it. So the scan is very quick. I've made major improvements in the ability to scan, because before it used to take a long time, and the reason was because I was checking for so many duplicates at the same time, and it was just very slow. It'll take a while to explain exactly why I improved, so please do check the change logs, and you can see exactly what I've done. And it also makes it much quicker for Raspberry Pis as well. And there we have the QR code, and that's what we need to scan. And then all you have to do is go on your phone, click connect to desktop. Tailscale is detected. You need Tailscale on both devices. Going to connect. There we go. It's going to ask you for notifications permissions. You click allow, storage access, yes, and bam, you get inside of the app. Here we can see the status, it's running, how many clients we have connected, and then we also have the albums that I have in this folder. And one neat thing that I've added over here, you see, I have a playlist in the name written in square brackets. And what that means is that when the server detects, hey, look, this one has playlist here, it's going to send to the mobile app, oh, this is a playlist, maybe you should import it. And when I click import from server, bam, that's the playlist created over here. And it makes it so much easier, because then you don't have to mess around with making your own playlist, especially if it's already been downloaded. The cache system for the artwork, I need to improve a little bit, because it is quite slow at times. But yeah, that's how easy it is to make playlists. And if you want to download an album, long press, you click download album. That needs to be improved as well. And if I go to settings, we have connection status. We have offline mode. We can go offline mode manually. And the thing with my app is that it's oriented around offline mode in a way. So the music, you can stream. It's for streaming, but it will always prefer a file that's on your phone, instead of like Spotify, where even if you might have it downloaded, it goes like F off, I don't want to stream this. If we go to manage downloads, here we have the ability to download all songs, all albums, all playlists. You can set the limits for the cache, because let's say you play many songs, or as many artworks, you can set the limit up to 2 gigabytes. Normally I have on default by to 500. We can import and export, and this is a new version, but I've already used that for some while. I can't export anything yet, but if I do import data and I do merge, and I'm going to select the desktop one, it's going to import it. And when I go to stuff like the listening statistics, bam, I have all the listening stats that I've had before. And if I go to artist, it will show. I'm not sure why it's not showing in the demonstration, which really sucks, but it does show everything that needs to be seen over here, which is great. Searching for stuff works as expected. Let's do this. I'm not going to play the sound, but yeah, the main player, very simple to use. You like a song, it goes into the liked songs immediately, and yeah, it's right there. It's very easy to use. Library, and the best thing that I like about this is, let me just download all albums, and I need to fix this at the bottom because it doesn't really look the best. And as you can see, all the albums are being downloaded nice and easily. And now let's say I kill the server, I click stop server, bam, it goes into offline mode immediately and shows what I have downloaded. And of course, like I said, 24K magic. Let's play that. You see it's in offline mode. Hell of a life. You see it's in offline mode and it works absolutely perfectly. When I start the server back up, as you can see, it automatically reconnects and we have access to everything again, which is really neat. And you might be wondering, why would I use this? And the reason you would use this over something like Navidrome or something of the sort is simply because of the ease of use. It takes about 1 minute to set up. The music you have to get yourself, because I'm not going to be providing that. Low-key illegal, and I don't want to have RCA at my door. But you have the music downloaded, you just load it up. Like I showed you the nice little trick with the playlist in the name of the folder, and you have all of that. And then you can check your listening statistics, how much you listen to every single day, and then you per artist, per albums, you can import and export. And yeah, it's neat. Offline mode works really well, and yeah, this is version 1.5. I just wanted to do a demonstration to show how it works. I'm still going to be working on this. A lot of features that I still need to add. For example, ability for multi-users. I haven't done that yet. But and also some stuff like connected clients not working properly at times. There's a lot of features that I want to add to this, and this for me is my replacement for Spotify on my mobile, because why would I pay to listen offline when I can get a CD, rip the music off it, put it in a folder and stream it? And this method is really easy. You don't always have to be connected to Telscale, especially if you want it offline. You manage the download all the songs, all the playlists that you want, and yeah, like I said, it's so easy. All you have to do is download the exe, the DMG, the app image for Linux. It works on Linux as well. Say you don't want it to be showing up all the time, you can minimize it to tray, and then you can bring it back up. It's a neat little project that I've been working on, and I'm going to keep improving it because I think it has a lot of potential. Like I said, multi-users, all that good stuff. But for now, this is the state of the project, and I just wanted to make a video on it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do open some issues if you find something deal-breaking. But right now it's in a very good state and works quite reliably, in my opinion. I've been using it like you saw. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next update video. Thank you.